Breaking curses is intentional. Let's see how. Hi, I'm Elemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome back. So great to see you all. Thank you for sharing us and coming back. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, we're www.yeyeo, and we're a spiritual and wellness supplier, which is why I do videos about all things spiritual. And I'm Elemi. I want to shout out all my people from Dallas, Texas. Woo! Welcome. So today I thought we could go through doing a DIY, because I notice through readings, through sessions, through meeting a lot of you, that this preoccupation with negativity. Did someone curse me? Am I blocked? Do I have a problem? Things aren't working out. Today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY that you can do yourself at home with very simple ingredients that you too can manifest a change, remove blockage, break curses, and open your roads. So today, let's get started with that and learning how to add more ingredients to make it even stronger. So let's get started. So if you've watched my how to make a spiritual wash, the supermarket magic, cut and clear video, different ones that I've done, I've showed you how to do it yourself at home. Today, because so many people have concerns about curses and breaking and breakthrough, I thought this would be a great opportunity for you to learn how you can find items in the supermarket that can be revolutionary for assisting you. Of course, if you want to see the extended version of this, you would be watching it on our website, www.yeyeo.com, in the learning section. And in there, I'm going to show you how to add things like this, in addition to other items to strengthen this particular work. But if you're a person who you're not into botanicas or don't go into the botanicas often, this is still for you, because these items you can find in the supermarket. So we have here rosemary, thyme, and we have some sage. So today, for the sake of this video, you can take as much as you want. You can take either the sprigs off of the stem, or you can leave it on the stem. Doesn't matter to me as long as you get the essence out of it. Then we have some thyme. And thyme, well, let me just say a little bit more about rosemary. Rosemary is really great for breaking, for pulling, for bringing prosperity, for rebalancing your luck and things like that, right? And you can look that up on our channel to learn more about rosemary. Thyme, which is a totally magical, very strong herb, is used for getting rid of so many different problems. But even in Roman times, the warriors would put thyme on their armor for protection. So it's great for protection, for courage, for breakthrough, for curse breaking, for breaking away negativity and bringing you in a position of victory. So we're going to start. So you can do this any way you want, but this is how I like to do it. Right? Gonna keep macerating it. Or you can come like this. For the sake of the video, I didn't take the leaves off because time is of the essence, right? I'm going to take a little bit off just because I don't want to get stuck by the little twigs. But your choice at home. So if you use dried rosemary, you're more than welcome to use the dried version of these herbs, because sometimes where people live, they're not able to get the fresh herb all the time. If you do that, you'll have to boil it, not do what you see me doing. However, I particularly, this is one of my personal sweet things for those of you that are watching, because I love you guys so much. I want to share this with you. And in this particular wash, you're going to use more thyme than anything else. This particular wash, you're going to use more thyme. Don't you love that play on words? Than anything else, right? And it's so aromatic, right? Because you want your life to come back into balance. You want things to smell good, not smell sour. You want to be sweet. You want your vibration to be refreshed and not kind of pulled down or soured in any way, right? Sometimes evil eye gets us, right? Sometimes just haters or people just minding your business can mess with your aura, mess with your luck, right? So this is all about spiritual self-care and how you're going to take care of yourself. And again, I show you a much more advanced version of this for those of you who really want to kick it in. And I know some of you guys are like, oh, what else can I do? What else can I put? I love it when you share your recipes, because we all learn together, we all grow together. So this, I like to make it. This water in particular, that's here, is a little bit on the warmer side. And I like to, after doing this, let it sit, and you can pray with it, right? Really get all these essence to just come out. And the more that you do this and the more that you pray about refreshing your vibration, bringing you back into balance. Now we add our sage, right? Sage is for wisdom, blessings, luck. Taking away negativity, curses, things like that, right? Sage has so many wonderful, wonderful uses. But using it in a spiritual bath is fantastic. Oh my gosh, it's great for hex breaking, curse breaking, evil eye, blessing your money, blessing your finances, opening the way for new things, new people, new places, new opportunities. But also it's great as a stabilizer, right? Because sometimes when people feel that they're under curses of some sort, they feel unstable. So this is to bring back stability, bring back luck, all these good things. So here's the bath. What you're going to do at home is my store trusty. All right, you would be taking this off, straining it off. If you're not a person to have it fall all over you, you can strain it off. You can freeze it, reuse it in the future, or boil it if you want to make the bath again. I'm just going to put it back in here for the sake of you seeing. This little strainer's been through a lot. Time to replace it. So this is what you would be doing. You can add the eggshell powder, cascarilla, that we sell in the Botanica. If you don't have access to that, you can also put a little bit of Florida water if you choose to. But this particular bath, I prefer that you not put a lot of colognes in, maybe only 1 or 2 that is around curse breaking. You can also use this as a mop in your home, and this can be used for all ages. Except I would not use it on an infant, but outside of that, you can use it on all ages. I hope that you got some wonderful ideas. You could even use something like this against against the evil eye or curse-breaking incense, anything like that in your space while you're taking this wash. It's good to cleanse your space, even the air, or mop the floor when you're cleansing yourself. And as you all know, I'm the lady who likes to connect herself to her work. And so this is why I say mop the floor, take a bath, use it in different ways so that you strengthen the vibration in your home and in your aura. Good luck to you, and let me know how it goes. So if you learned something, definitely share it with others. Thank you so much for participating today, and I hope that you too see the results of your breakthrough, of your prayers, of you doing this DIY on yourself and or for a friend or family member. And always supporting us. We so appreciate you. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.